Hey, Logan. Logan. What you doing?
Oh, she did she? Show's over, Synergy.
Hey, Logan.
Looking for me?
Logan, Olivia. Where you going?
And I won't tolerate rigged contests. You think you can run a company better than me? Then I challenge you. In 6 months, I'll make the Misfits more popular than you.
Coming back?
Then we'll have
Let me see. What you got?
If Jem
Uh-oh.
you get
What do you got?
Music. But if the Misfits win, Starlight Music is
What you
mine.
got?
I accept that challenge. Allow me to sweeten the deal. I'm Howard Sands. I'm a film producer. I'll give a movie contract to the group that wins this contest.
Really?
You're gonna win that contest. And the winners will also get this magnificent mansion. Come on! They sure have some nice stuff. Yeah, and they'll have a
Good girl.
Grab something, Stormer. Jernica, the Misfits are taking our stuff. Stop! Hey, they want their junk back. Let her have it. Hit the brakes! We're gonna hit the
Yay!
Now what are we gonna do? We can't just stay here. Come on, we can climb out. Sit down. Everybody keep absolutely still. What now, Jerrica? Synergy's our only hope. It's gonna take more than a hologram to get us out of this. Rio's coming this way any minute. We've got to get his attention. Synergy.
Yeah.
I am ready.
Can you make a hologram of Jem that talks?
Yes, it is a matter of projecting sound as well as image.